think about this. Oh! Steps! Okay, I cannot laugh. Oh, I'm chewing gum. Oh my god. Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the International Rumba basic step. Without further ado, let's get to it. Before we try the basic step, I'd like to introduce you guys how to keep a nice Latin dance posture for International Rumba. For our feet, we are going to keep it in a nice V shape. Our heels are together, toes are slightly apart, ankles, knees, hips and shoulders are nicely stacked up. Our abs are going to be engaged, chest open, shoulders are down. From there, imagine someone is pulling you up towards the sky so we feel elevated on the upper body. So throughout the whole time, if you could keep this nice posture, it'll be a big plus. It's time for us to learn the steps for International Rumba. For your ease of learning, I'm going to change my view to the mirror view image so it's easy for you to follow along. At first, we are going to keep a nice posture. From there, we're going to take a step to the left, go back with the right foot, replace weight, and go back to the right. This time, we're going to step forward with the left, replace weight back to the right foot, and step to the left. That's it. Go back with the right, replace weight, step to your right. Come forward with the left, replace weight, and step to the left. Very good. This time, I'm going to add a timing and the beat so that it's easy for you to retain the musicality of International Rumba. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Very good. Now, it is time for us to try to the music. Nice posture. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we've tried it to the music, let's briefly go over the techniques of International Rumba. One of the key points that I mentioned in our previous basic video in American Rumba was the Cuban motion. So if you guys have a chance to look at that video, make sure to watch that video to learn more about the Cuban motion, and I'll make sure to link that video in the description box below. For American Rumba and International Rumba, Cuban motion is one of the key points. For you to practice that, I highly recommend you guys to bring your legs apart about shoulder width and draw a nice 8-figure that's like laying sideways. So 4 side back, 4 side back, genuinely twisting your hip back and forth to practice your nice fluent Cuban motion. And this principle applies throughout the whole time as you're taking the International Rumba basic step. For example, when you're taking a step to the left, I'm going to make sure to draw a nice circular motion with my left hip. 4 side back, and as I step back with the right, my right hip draws 4 side back. As I replace weight, left hip 4 side back, and as I step back to the right, my right hip draws 4 side back, left hip 4 side back, right hip 4 side back. So throughout the whole time, if you can draw this nice circular motion with your hip, that's going to add a beautiful Latin flair into your International Rumba. Another important key point in International Rumba is keeping our knees straight. What I mean by that is every time there is a point of musical cues, you want to make sure that you're presenting your line with a straight knees. So at 2, we are going to bring our knees straight before we land on our heels. Same principle, we are going to straighten our knees every time we're taking a step to present a straight line with a nice posture throughout. 2, 3, straight knee, and straight knee, straight knee, straight knee. This is one of the big contrasting difference between American and International Rumba. So as you're getting comfortable with the International Rumba, try and challenge yourself by keeping your knees straight throughout. Thank you so much guys for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed learning the basic step of International Rumba. And if you liked our videos, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos. I look forward to seeing you guys with another video next week. Bye!